Excel ribbon and their commands.
Next one, orientation, test orientation. Write in this column 2020 21. Select the cells. Click on merge and center. All cell is merged. Then click on alignment center. Then we can go to the orientation, test orientation. Click on vertical test. Click on angle clockwise. Click on angle counterclockwise. Click on format to cell alignment. Rotate this clock to down. Click OK. The test is shown vertical. Wrap test. Select this heading. Click on wrap test. The sentence is aligned into the cell. Again wrap test off. The sentence is gone to next cell. Again click on wrap test. Again we are in merge and center. Select the cells. Click on merge and center. Alignment left, alignment center, alignment bottom, alignment center, alignment left, alignment center, align right,